Hello everyone. Welcome to our quick Q&A session on the Dark Psychology World channel. Let's dive into the first question. Why do many guys gain weight after falling in love? Well, women don't seem to mind it. After all, who complains about their pig getting fat? Moving on to the second question. My friend is a bit of a rich woman. She always wants me to go shopping and eat with her, but I'm just a regular guy. How should I politely decline her? Well, you could tell her that time is money and you don't have much of either. Can you imagine not having any money? In this affectionate age, which can be interpreted as the age of puppy love, chasing women has never been more challenging. Why, you ask? There are always women who feel that no matter how nice a guy is to her, it's just expected. Of course, whoever doesn't reciprocate is bad at love. Recently, a friend introduced me to a guy. From the photos, we both seemed quite satisfied. He took the initiative to add me, but after chatting for a few days, I found him too reserved. Basically, if I don't reach out to him, he doesn't initiate conversation with me. Even though I hinted that I'm not busy and he can chat with me anytime, he didn't take the hint. What's even more baffling is that he doesn't suggest any places to meet. What's going on? I've found that a lot of women are very confused about this situation. So today, we're going to talk about why men nowadays don't take the initiative to chase women. As age increases, so does concern about the increased costs of pursuit. The cost here includes time, money, etc. There's no fixed answer. A lot of guys, when young and frivolous, chase women regardless of the cost. The more mature they become, the more rational they are. And with the fast pace of life now, they're more accustomed to weighing the investment of time and money. In the end, many men will find that love is costly, high risk but with unknown rewards. Games and food are the most popular. Woman friend? Who cares? It has nothing to do with you. What's more, most people can't hold on as long as they love. Love without bread is hard to sustain. When you were 5 years old, you could catch a butterfly and run to a field a kilometer away. When you were 10 years old, you could buy an ice cream from shops all over the streets. When you were 17 years old, you could date someone you like and go to a strange city alone. At the age of 27, you can just live and find someone to live casually for the rest of your life. You say you're getting lazier and lazier, too lazy to love. Firstly, love in our school days is so simple, right? Just two people, not a care in the world. But adult love? That's a whole different ballgame. You've got to think about family, life after marriage, and all the challenges that come with it. It makes us more cautious. Secondly, guys these days are scared to take risks, especially when they're unsure of the outcome. It's not that they don't want to pursue you, but sometimes they just can't keep up. They text you, but you're always busy. They ask you out to dinner, but you've turned them down 3 times. They invite you to a movie, but you say you're too busy. They confess their feelings, but you say you're not interested. They try to change for you, but you still say no. It's tough for them. In fact, a lot of guys are shy when it comes to love. They need constant reassurance to build their confidence. But if a woman doesn't show any signs of interest, the guy will think she's not into him and he won't pursue her. So, when guys actively pursue women, they first assess their chances of success. If they feel like they have a high chance of winning the woman over, they'll be more motivated to pursue. But if they feel like they have no chance, no matter how attractive the woman is, most guys will cut their losses. Thirdly, a lot of women these days seem unattainable. I once saw a meme online that talked about how women nowadays take a personality test and suddenly think they're the perfect wife material. They watch a few foreign dramas and think they're cultured. They travel to a few Southeast Asian countries and think they're worldly. They read a few books and think they're intellectuals. They have afternoon tea at a 5-star hotel and eat expensive Japanese food and they think they're rich. All these things make women feel like they're too good for ordinary guys. But when we're using computers and a program isn't responding, we all choose to end the process instead of waiting. Everyone does everything for a reason. Guys pursue women because they want to be with them and see a future with them, not just for the thrill of the chase. Women have the right to enjoy being pursued, but guys also have the right to stop pursuing. So, when some women shamelessly ask why guys stop pursuing them halfway, sorry, but it's probably because they've seen through you. My friend, let me catch my breath. I'll go quietly now. If you want to learn how to chat with women, want to learn how to attract women, want her to chase you, or if you're in love and chasing a woman, or need help with emotional issues related to dating recovery, then pay more attention to my video sharing. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can also share these fascinating insights with your family and friends. Hit the subscribe bell and you'll be notified when new videos are posted. Here's the Dark Psychology World channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.